This is a gnarly fungus that apparently makes cicadas hypersexual. If it happened to humans, we would just lay down and die. We know that trillions of cicadas in a cicada apocalypse are coming this spring and summer across the southern and midwestern United States. But some of these will have this sexually transmitted fungal pathogen exclusive to their species. It's called Masopora cicadina, and it controls them like a puppet master. It causes the infected cicadas to act hypersexual and infect other bugs before they eventually die.